Sometimes on Instagram Live, you might like some filters. So afterward, if you want to learn more about those filters, you can save the QR code for that Instagram Live filter. Then, when you scan that filter's QR code, you'll get all the details about it. In this video, we'll explain how to save the QR code for any Instagram Live filters. To do this, open the Instagram app. Down here, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it. Then, either click the plus button and select Live, or up top, you'll see another plus button. Click that and choose Live. Once you do, you'll reach your Live page, where you can see tons of filters. If you like any of these filters, you'll see the filter's name down here. Just tap on it. When you do, you'll see an option for QR code. Click on QR code. Then, you'll find a Save QR code option. Tap that, and the QR code will be saved. After that, if you go to your gallery, you'll see the QR code. It'll be in this folder. Here's the QR code I saved earlier. So, that's how you can easily save the QR code for any Instagram Live filters you like. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.